Why is your Siri dude British?
I like British accents, and so if I had one, I'd never shut the fuck up.
All right, so we just got McDonald's and we are on our way to Carowinds. This
living-
time we're actually gonna ride the Giga. No memes this time. Just an honest video, no memes.
No memes here.
No memes here. What's up, Carowinds? We're here at Carowinds. We're gonna ride the Giga.
The B&M Giga Coaster. The Bolliger and Mistake.
Not gonna be anybody on it, but
You know, I'm no expert, but I don't like the looks of that.
Welcome to Copperhead Strike. For your safety and the safety of other riders.
We just did Copperhead back row for like second train of the day. It was pretty good.
Yeah, it was all right. We ran to the back of the park like right when they dropped the rope. Went to Copperhead. They opened it 15 minutes late in typical Six Flags wait. So now we're gonna go do the Giga Coaster. Or maybe we should do Nighthawk because it's right there and it's a Dutchman.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
All clear? Dispatch.
Hold until you have returned to your upright seating.
Enjoy your ride.
9. Release the lever and push forward on your laptop. Please remember to collect all of your belongings as you exit to your right and then go on the stairs. Thank you for
How do you feel about that terrible ride?
I didn't hate it. I thought it was like barely distinguishable from Firehawk at Kings Island. Like they seem nearly identical to me. I don't know why people complain about this ride, but I was in a middle seat, so maybe that made a difference.
Train live. Are you guys ready to ride?
We just got off Intimidator. It's better than Diamondback, but
Better than expected, but still not great. It doesn't suck. It's not amazing.
it's not that good though. There's like mild floater, couple good hills, but nothing crazy. So we're gonna go do Fury next, the better B&M.
Alexa, show me my baby.
Okay.
There she is.
All right, so Fury.
Yeah.
First ride we got on it was row 3.
Underwhelmed.
Very disappointed. Then we rode it in row 8. And it's a lot better. That first half is nuts. It's like B&M forgot they were B&M when they did it. Because you get lats, you get some positives. It's weird because this is 2015 B&M, not that, you know, crazy 90s shit they were doing.
Yeah, I still think it's a little overrated though.
It is overrated. Oh yeah.
It's really good. But
It's
like,
not best coaster on earth material
no,
at all.
No.
That's wrong. All right, we just did it in the front now. I think I like back better. but
I don't know. They're both really good.
yeah, no, it's definitely growing on me. I just had to ride it a few more times. We're gonna go check out Afterburn because we want to see if it actually, you know, opens. That would be cool. It's time for Vortex.
Oh boy.
Arguably a worse stand-up than Georgia Scorcher.
Wait a minute. This isn't a narrow looper at Kings Island? Fuck.
Yeah, I know, right? All right, so like aside from everything running reduced capacity, like the place is nice. It's pretty.
It is.
You know, the paths are really nice. There's plenty of shade so far anyway.
Yeah, it's like a pretty Cedar Fair park.
Yeah, I know. I'm a fan of that. It's just they need to like step up their ops game and their capacity game. It's just not good.
Yeah, I mean, Fury should be running 3 train. By the way, Vortex isn't nearly as bad as I thought it would be.
Yeah, no, there was like a significant amount of headbanging, but like I've ridden worse things.
Scorcher is better. But
Oh yeah,
like,
Scorcher's way better.
It's not the worst thing ever.
Yeah, I tripled my stand-up count on this trip, so that's pretty cool, I guess. Oh, dude, they have a panda.
Panda!
Dude, that's a fat nut right there. Oh.
Dude, didn't know Carowinds had a zoo.
Yeah, dude, they can't eat this. That's cannibalism.
Oh shit, it is. Wait, no, they're ducks. It's fine.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
We're eating chicken. Aw, hey little guy.
I just had lunch, feeling nice and refreshed at that panda.
We're
Now,
about to do the Tacoma hang and bang, and my intestines, my brain, and my intestines are not ready.
Kitty Hawk was amazing.
You're fucking dumb.
For your safety and the safety of other riders, hats, glasses, and cell phones must be stored in a pocket. Not responsible for items lost or damaged while riding.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my...
Shut the fuck up.
Come back here. Some dank theming going on over here.
Yeah, this is cool.
Built like they built a cabin.
Dude, they have real chickens.
Yeah, real chickens at Carowinds. Come to Carowinds to see the real
Come
chickens.
visit Granny's Jam.
See, a lot of this ride, there's a whole bunch of angry snake. And the angry snake, they stop you from telling the world that Granny's dealing coke.
Is this Mystic Timbers?
We just copperhead a couple more times.
front and back, and oh my god, it's running so much better than it was this morning.
Yeah, no.
Lots of fun. That's a good ride.
That ride slaps.
Really good ride.
Great hang time, great like air time actually, which
Yeah.
surprised me.
Yeah, you get a lot of ejector, like front and back. Like, it's surprising. Like I was not expecting the forces we got and the airtime. Solid ride, really good. addition.
Really good addition. They needed something like that. I think it really rounds up their lineup. Now they just need an RMC. We're gonna go ride the Boomerang because I hate myself.
I like this. This is cute. I want this inside of me.
How was the top scan?
It was really good. That was a lot of fun.
Nice. All right. Time for the Boomerang. Flying Cobras. That's fucking garbage.
Yeah, okay. So I was on it and I was praying for the ride to end, which doesn't happen very often. But the best part was, I'll tell you this right now, the kid that was sitting in front of us, Matt looked over at me and he's like, dude, why does this aero train have like seat belts for the restraint? That's so unnecessary. And the kid looks back at me and goes, it's in case the harnesses unlock so you have the seat belt there.
Because, you know, the GP are experts in
Engineering and ride safety.
Exactly. All right, so we just Marathon Fury, like
6 times.
Yeah, oh my god, dude, that ride is unreal.
I take back everything bad I said about it. That
Me
ride
too.
is amazing. It's my number 4, still behind Voyage, Steve, and Lightning Rod.
Yeah.
But, oh my god, it's so good.
Yeah, it was probably just, you know, still warming up. We got row 3 too. Row 3 can suck it. We're gonna do Hurler now for the credit, and it's like a station weight, so get that out of the way. Ha.
All right, the funny thing about Hurler is that you can literally see the jerkiness like ripple through the trains in front of you. Because we were in the back row, you could see the roughness hit every train like in sequential order before it hit us like a shockwave. It was fucking funny.
Yeah, some of those turns are so horribly profiled.
Yeah,
like
it's bad.
You hit the turn, and then all of a sudden you're turning a little sharper, and it's like, ah. It was okay. I mean, I didn't really get any airtime, but it needs to be RMC, Twisted Timbers Part 2.
I agree.
We've been looping Fury for like the past hour.
It's so good.
That thing slaps hard enough to cook a chicken, dude.
Turn lock, all clear, ready for dispatch. Reset. Resume. Dylan, are you in the next place?
Day 2.
We're back at Carowinds for just a few hours before we have to make the trek back to Ohio. It is raining, and we're gonna try and get a front row ride on Fury because it's raining.
This is gonna hurt like dick. This is gonna be fucking terrible.
Also, this parking lot is completely dead.
There's probably like 27 cars here.
Yeah, if that. Like, these are all the cars in the lot, right here. This is it.
Road lines are a suggestion.
We're from Illinois.
That's quite big. Impressive. Ooh, that's kind of small. Yikes.
Oh. Dude, I don't think it's gonna open in this shit. I'm drenched.
What are you talking about? There's not a cloud in the sky.
Yeah, you know, it's 75 and sunny right now, dude.
I'm ready for a Six Flags day at Carowinds.
Oh, yeah, dude. We just did like 5 rain rides on Fury.
We did 1 back row and 4 one front row, 4 back row without getting off the train. We rode 5 trains in a row.
That shit hurts. We've been on almost every train of the day. We've only missed 2 so far because we wanted to wait for front. But this is ridiculous, dude.
We just got off an 8-ride marathon on Fury. I think 4 in the front, 4 in the back. Look at Matt's poncho.
It might be weatherproof, but it's not really Fury proof. Like, there's like little strings hanging off of it. Fury completely destroyed this thing, dude. I'm gonna be giving this away actually at 100 subs. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share.
Yeah, watch
if you
out
do
for
all
that.
those things, you can get part of my poncho that I bought at Carowinds for $6.30.
But yeah, Fury in the front row while it's raining. It literally feels like you're being hit with needles the entire ride. It hurts. Like I couldn't keep my eyes open. I had to cover my hands or my face with my hands the entire ride. It's nuts. All right, so I think we're going over to Copperhead, and we'll probably be back to Fury
It's
before
supposed
we
to
leave.
start storming like in the next hour,
Yeah,
so we gotta knock out as
we
much
gotta
as we
make some
can.
time. Let's get it.
All right, so in 1 marathon, we did more rides on Copperhead today in an hour than we did all day yesterday.
7 rides.
Today's awesome. Why couldn't like today been yesterday? Because like I don't want to leave it too. I'm not ready for it.
Hey man, it's a plane. Hey Matt, what are we riding?
Afterburn.
Wrong. Great Value Montu. Oh my god, okay, we just got off last ride before Fury closed, front row. Look how much it's raining right now. Our arms are so red.
I have a million tiny welts right now. Like, I don't know if you can see that on the camera. I have a million tiny little welts from all the raindrops.
Dude, it feels like you're on fire when you're at that front row. 95 miles an hour with the pouring, like gushing rain.
I also look like I just jumped in a pool. Head to toe, there's not a dry spot on me. So that's gonna do it for us at Carowinds.
Oh my god, look at this.
We get to walk in this now.
This is what we rode Fury in, front row.
This is all that I have left in my poncho, so I gotta improvise. I mean, I don't get really mad with it much because I'm already soaked, but...
Dude, we also bought a picture that we will definitely put up on screen at some point. That was wild. If you ever get the chance to ride Fury in the front row in the pouring rain, don't.
No, do it.